Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Tomar from Founders Card and today I am here to explain how to get MSME registration by your own. So, as you are aware that government has provided so many benefits to the MSME registrar person or a company. So, for availing those benefits, we have to get ourselves registered under MSME. So, let's start the process of MSME registration. First of all, we need to open the website, that is Udyam registration. So here, this is the website in front of our screen, that is www.udyamregistration.gov.in. So after opening this website, you will get this page in front of your screen. Here there are three options. So I'll explain the last option, that if you have already registered yourself previously in MSME, then you have to migrate yourself in Udyam registration. But if you just want to freshly register yourself and you don't have any past MSME registration number, so in that case you will select here new entrepreneur. Here you need to add the Aadhaar number and the name of the person on behalf of which you want to get MSME registration. So I am applying for a private limited company, but as the private limited company doesn't have Aadhaar number, so I will enter the Aadhaar number of the director of the company so that we will validate the OTP. So let's start the process. So I have already filled the Aadhaar number and the name of the person. Let's validate the OTP. OTP will come on the mobile number that is registered. So we have entered the OTP. Now we validate the OTP. So here, now we need to select the type of organization for which we are going to get MSME registration. So I am selecting here private limited company and I need to enter the PAN number of the private limited company. So we will enter the PAN number here and then PAN validate. So our PAN is successfully validated. Now we click here on continue. Now we need to fill this page for our MSME registration. So here they ask, have you ever filed the previous ITR? So as my company is incorporated now, so this clause will not applicable on us, so we will select no. Then do you have GST number? So we will select no. And after that, here we need to fill the information of an authorized person. So let's fill the information. So after entering the mobile number and mail ID, we have to select here journal, as I am going for my private limited company, not applicable on us. So our company name entered here. Now we have to enter the plant name. So I will enter here the office, and now we have to select the address of our organization. So let's fill the address. So we have filled the information. Now add plant. After add plant, here we need to enter the office address. Now you have to fill the date of incorporation and the commencement of business. Here you need to give the detail of the bank of your company. Now we have to enter the detail. We are in trading, so we will select here. According to this, we will select our NIC code, as our NIC code is add activity. If you want further activity, so you can add according to your preference. Add more activity. So here we will add more activity. Now we have to enter the number of employees. You can enter it according to your company. And after that, we will click here on submit and get final OTP. After clicking here, you will get a final OTP on the mobile number that you have already entered. And after entering that OTP, you will get a temporary number for your Udyam registration. And your Udyam certificate will be mailed to you within 5 to 7 working days by the ministry. So this is the complete process for getting your Udyam registration done. Hope this video will help you in getting your Udyam registration by your own. Thank you so much.